are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, trip computer, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, speed control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.